Okay, so I thought I would show you how to do some laser transfers. So these are some of my photography. I've upped the contrast on the computer and printed them out. One is a positive and one is a negative. I'm going to try and see if I can transfer these on top of some other prints that I've already made. So we'll see what happens. Nice. All right, so that one's going to go on top of this. Lovely. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to try the negative one so you can see what that one looks like. Use the turquoise this time. Okay, so here's the negative one. Nice. Okay. And I'm going to put that on top of this bright pink. Ooh, I really like this. Cool. All right. So that's the positive, or sorry, this is the positive and this is the negative. The way I know that is I decided that the positive would be the actual flowers and then the negative would be the background.